The reason we opened up Gym Stars was to provide a safe, fun, family-friendly environment for kids to learn gymnastics and trampoline and tumbling. When I see an athlete put in the time and effort, because gymnastics and trampoline and tumbling is not easy. It takes a lot of strength, a lot of conditioning, a lot of repetitions, a lot of practice. So therefore, by the time they do make their goal, it's a big achievement. They've worked hard to learn that cartwheel or double back or flip-us. And so we're very proud, and not only as coaches, but the athlete, the parents, and their teammates as well.
We tailor our coaching techniques towards the individual. Each child is different. Each child needs to be coached differently. At Gym Stars, a lot of our coaches are able to demonstrate how to do things and how not to do things, show them how they're currently doing them, and then show them how they need to be doing them.
As a parent stretched for time, we choose Gym Stars because we can go into the gym, I can watch them practice, while the other two that I have are doing their homework. We make it a family affair. We're in there to watch them grow as an athlete, as a family.
When a student masters a skill and reaches a goal or something that we've either been working towards on that class or working towards for the past 5 months, whatever it may be, the feeling that we all get, like not just the student but also the coach, is so incredible, because it's like, we got it, we got a breakthrough. And it's such a proud feeling. It's like as if the students are my kids and I'm watching them work for this thing and do as much as they can. And when they finally get to the point where they have accomplished the goal that we've set is so, so good. And so even being a judge sometime at different meets, sitting there at the table and watching the Gym Star kids do their passes or do their routines, and sometimes it's the best I've ever seen them do it. I'm like, you did it so good. I've never even seen you do it this way in class. But you've mastered it, and you have put in the hard work, and it has come through, and it's such a good feeling. And so the reward is so great for taking the time and working individually with these kids. It's worth it.
When I see a kid who finally reaches something that they've been shooting for, it's amazing, because you watch them as they put in class after class. They do all their return stations that they're supposed to be doing, how they're supposed to do them, and then finally they get that skill that they've been shooting for. And we've got this thing, the bell, where the kids, when they finally get they bring the bell, the whole gym freezes, and spotlight's on that kid. And they get to show their new skill, and everybody applauds and happiness, and they think that they are on top of the world.
What I would say to another parent thinking about choosing Gym Stars is, why not choose Gym Stars? You get affordable training with the best coaches that there are. Between the athletes, the coaches, and the other families, we become a true gym family at Gym Stars. I mean, we decide where we live because of Gym Stars.
The second time I tried out, I got first, and I was automatically qualified to be on the national team. And I kept quiet at first because I didn't want to brag about what I had accomplished. And then I went down to the floor and showed my coaches, and we both kind of broke down in tears and just hugged, because we were both really excited, because I really, really wanted to be on the national team. And at first my friends are just like, oh, okay, cool. And then like I'll show them videos, or sometimes they'll come to my practices and they'll be like amazed. And they're like, how do you do that? I was like, just practice, practice, practice. It makes me feel more grown up and more like compassionate about the sport, because it's like, I got this national title. I can wear the jacket, I can wear the Leo, I can be on the team. And it's really fun.
We're just very, very happy and very fortunate, very blessed to be able to have a business that we get to work with young people and our family. Gymstar is like a big family.